Your power bank says 20,000 milliamp hours. On paper, that should charge your phone 4, maybe 5 times. But in reality, maybe you get 2 charges. Sometimes not even that. So, what's going on? Is the manufacturer lying? Is your phone battery the problem? Or is something inside the power bank slowly breaking down? By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why power banks lose capacity over time, what's happening at the chemical and electronic level, and, most importantly, how to make your power bank last longer. Stay till the end, because one small habit most people ignore is quietly killing their power banks faster than anything else. What does 20,000 really mean? Let's start with the number everyone trusts, mAh. Here's the first surprise. 20,000 mAh does not mean 20,000 mAh reaches your phone. Why? Because that rating refers to the internal battery cells, usually rated at 3.6 to 3.7 volts. Your phone charges around 5 volts or higher. That voltage conversion alone causes energy loss. So, let me ask you, did you ever wonder why manufacturers don't explain this clearly on the box? Because once you understand this, expectations change fast. What's inside a power bank? Inside almost every power bank are lithium-ion or lithium polymer cells, the same chemistry used in smartphones and laptops. Alongside those cells are a charging controller, a boost converter to raise voltage, protection circuits, overcharge, over-discharge, heat. Every time you charge and discharge the power bank, energy flows. Heat is generated. Chemical reactions occur. And here's the key truth. Those chemical reactions are not perfectly reversible. That's where capacity loss begins. The real reason: capacity fades. Battery chemistry. Lithium batteries work by moving lithium ions back and forth between 2 electrodes. Over time, some lithium becomes trapped. Internal resistance increases. Less energy can move efficiently. Think of it like a sponge. New sponge absorbs a lot of water. Old sponge, stiff, less absorbent. So, here's a thinking question. Even if your power bank works, is it actually holding the same energy it used to? The answer is almost always no. Charge cycles. The silent killer. Every battery has a limited number of charge cycles. A cycle equals 100% used, recharged, used again. Most power banks are rated for 300 to 500 full cycles. After that, capacity drops to 70 to 80%, then 60%. Then it feels like half. And here's the catch. Partial charges still count toward wear. So ask yourself, how many times have you topped off your power bank just in case? Exactly. Heat. The fastest way to kill capacity. Heat is the enemy of lithium batteries. Power banks heat up when fast charging, fast discharging, left in hot cars, used while charging devices. Heat speeds up chemical degradation. That's why cheap power banks fail faster. Slim designs struggle with heat dissipation. Have you ever felt your power bank get warm in your pocket or bag? That warmth is capacity leaving the building. Fast charging. Convenient, but costly. Fast charging pushes higher current, higher stress, more heat. Yes, it's safe, short term. But long term, faster degradation, reduced lifespan, earlier capacity loss. Think about this. Is saving 30 minutes worth losing months of battery life? Most people never ask that question. Why cheap power banks lose capacity faster? Here's where price matters. Cheap power banks often have lower grade cells, poor thermal management, minimal protection circuits, inflated capacity labels. Some even combine old recycled cells. So, let me ask you, if 2 power banks claim 20,000 mAh, but one costs half the price, what do you think was sacrificed? Exactly. A power bank doesn't need full capacity to function. So, users think, it still works fine. But inside, voltage drops faster. Output weakens. Efficiency declines. It's like a fuel tank with leaks. It still runs, just not far. Ask yourself, are you judging performance by the LED lights or by real-world results? How to slow capacity loss. This matters. Here's how to extend power bank life. Avoid extreme heat. Don't fully drain to 0% often. Avoid constant fast charging. Store around 40 to 60% if unused. Use quality cables. Don't charge devices while charging the power bank. One habit alone can add months or years to its life. Now that you know what's really happening inside, does your power bank still feel like 20,000 milliamp? If this video helped you understand your devices better, hit like, subscribe for more deep dives like this, and comment below, how old is your current power bank? On this channel, we don't just review devices, we unbox the science behind them. See you in the next breakdown.